Hey everyone, currently this is the X1 operating system by Xfinity. Now, I'm gonna let you guys hear a little bit of silence, or in my opinion, silence, for the next few seconds. And I want you to tell me in the comments below if you can hear this loud fan noise coming from this system. So just take a listen, and I'll shut up. Did you hear it? Anyway, that is the fan noise that goes constant, regardless if the power's off, which I'm going to turn it off now. When the little blue LED goes off, the power is off. What remains lit is the clock. So, there is the fan noise. I'm going to take my camera, or in this case my phone, and let you guys hear the noise directly from where the air gets sucked in. You hear that? That's pretty loud. Now, there's a fan right in the middle of the system. And what it does is it sucks the air in from here on the side, sucks it in, and exhausts the hot air here. So, just a little short video showing you how loud these proprietary cable boxes are. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe if you want. Anyway, have a great day or night, whichever one you watch this video at. Thank you for watching.